In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept multiple payment methods with Jotform. This is a fantastic way to streamline your transactions and offer your customers varied ways to pay, making it more convenient for them and ultimately beneficial for you. Let's dive in and explore how you can efficiently set this up in just a few easy steps. First, you'll want to kick things off by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Jotform. Once the Jotform website pops up, either log into your existing account or, if you're new to Jotform, take a minute to sign up. Signing up is straightforward and free, and once you're inside, you'll have access to a rich suite of form-building tools. Now, to accommodate different payment methods, we'll be creating separate payment forms for each of the payment options you plan to offer. This means if you intend to accept payments via PayPal, Stripe, or perhaps even a purchase order, you'll need to set up a separate form for each. Make sure each form is integrated correctly with the chosen payment processor. For instance, your PayPal form must be linked with your PayPal account, and similarly with Stripe. Don't forget to populate each form with the specific products or services you wish to offer. With those individual payment forms ready to roll, the next task is to create a main form. This primary form will act as the central hub where all payment choices converge. Start by including a single choice field, which could be a set of radio buttons or a drop-down menu, allowing users to select their preferred payment method. Next, we'll add some extra magic by embedding those individual payment forms into your main form via an iframe embed widget. For each payment form you created earlier, embed its URL into its respective iframe widget. This way, when users interact with your main form, the correct payment form will load seamlessly within it. To finish up, it's time to dive into the main form's settings. Head over to the Conditions section and opt for Show Hide field. Here, you're going to set up conditions that display the appropriate iframe embed widget according to the choice the user makes in the single choice field. So, for example, if someone opts for PayPal, the iframe with the PayPal form will come into view while the others remain hidden. This ensures a clean and user-friendly experience where customers see only the payment option they selected, making the process smooth and efficient. And there you have it, a complete setup on how to accept multiple payment methods with Jotform. Providing these options not only enhances user experience, but can also increase conversion rates by catering to varied customer preferences. By following these steps, you're ensuring a more flexible and user-friendly transaction process, offering your clients the choice and convenience they appreciate. Thanks for watching, and happy form building!